What's going on, y'all? So my video from about 2 weeks ago, you've seen a little bit of this truck, but I didn't really talk about it. It's a losi baja ray. I think I'm saying that name probably wrong. It's L-O-S-I. I don't know how to pronounce it. I did buy it used. The shocks are shot on this thing. And when you're riding this, it's bottoming the plastic out. I mean, the plastic looks horrible back in here where its tires are rubbing. And the fender's missing there, big crack there, scuffs all over the thing. Only half the front light bar works. But you know what? It still runs. It's fun. I did already bend this axle, but we're going to run it anyway. Worst thing to do is blow apart. Do got the GoPro mount already on, as you've seen in my last video. But we're not going to run with the GoPro this time. I didn't really get a whole lot of run time with it, maybe 10-15 minutes. So we got full charge, I think. I'm still learning this battery setup. It's a lot different than my crawler. So let's get her off the hood of the truck here and open her up. Alright, so this is part of my driveway. It's just a cruise about, see how fast this little booger is. Put it up here in camera view. Here we go. Plumbed through rocks to us, and that's like 10 feet away. Oh, rolled her. And she's on her top. I'll be right back. Nah, we got her back. Easy. The pothole right there. See if we can jump it. I never had one this torquey. Oh! I hit my shin and my camera. What's up here to steer this thing? This thing's gonna be awesome. Yeah, the grass. Oh! So a little faster than the ridge rock that we're used to. Well, we tried a donut and we got grass there. My biggest problem right now is my shocks ain't adjusted the way they need to be to give that nice soft suspension. But we'll get there. Like I said, the shocks are shot. We're still figuring that out. We gotta get new ones. They're like 45 bucks for this thing. It's crazy. So you see in there we went down this hill. You can't really see how far down we go. But we're gonna try to jump this. Got a little bit of air there. This is the hill. Yeah, that ain't much of a hill, but yeah, we're getting a little bit of air already off that. Let's go, let's set up a jump. Alright, went in down, grab a piece of plywood and a cinder block. Let's jump him. Oh, come on. I'm not sure where to buy this exact RC. I bought it off my buddy Bob at Bob's RCs, or Bobby's RCs on Facebook. I'll pick this one up used, new, they're 500 bucks. I only get 200 for it. We tore something up. Alright. I don't know what we did, but we tore something up. Let me get her checked out. I'll be right back. Alright, so up here there's a transfer case delivering power to the front end and the rear end. Either that blew and something inside slipping and it's catching just a little bit, which I think is what happened, or we blew the rear end up. As you watch this rear end, that piece you're looking at is the rear end. I got my phone sitting right on the back of this truck. See, it spins pretty quick still, but it's not moving. I mean, this is all it does. So that's why I think it's the transfer case. If it was just the rear end, it'd be front wheel drive, and still kicking up rocks, and it's not doing that. So we're going to get in here, tear her down, get her looked at, and we'll try another video later on. Thanks for watching. Hope this blows up, because I'm not going to be able to fix that real quick on my own unless this video goes haywire. So if you don't mind, drop a like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're not already, because we plan on doing some things with this truck if we can keep it in one piece. Thanks for watching. Alright, yeah, we're right back real quick. If we can keep it in one piece, eventually, I want to get some tires and wheels for it. Is the one of the back wheels, I forget which one now, it's cracked all to heck, and I can get some nicer ones. The problem with this truck is, as you see, it's very quick, so I gotta watch which tire I put on there. So inside I have some cheap tires, come off my DeBunchy Ridge Rock originally, and watch how much these tires balloon already. I'll put that in slow motion for you. So DeBunchy Ridge Rock tires should blow on this truck. And I've seen several people put out there when they blow on tires on these things and watch them blow up. But I've never seen what does it do if you try to drive them like that. That's the big question. Now once we get this transfer case figured out and everything else figured out on this truck, after we get some videos out where we can start paying for some damages, we'll blow some tires on this truck and drive it around and still jump and see what happens. But that's where you come in hand. I need some likes so this video gets pushed out. I need some comments so the video gets pushed out. And obviously, you sharing this video will help a lot. They balloon up way real big, don't they? That's scary, and I'm only 2 foot away. Anyway, until next time.